And just like that, if we look at VRA is back to where it was just a few days ago. If you're a VRA holder or you're a part of the Verasity community and you like these kind of videos, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and sit back, relax, and enjoy the show because things are about to get exciting. Looking at the price of Veracity right now, currently trading at that 0.007 cents mark, up 13.6% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. Also up 11.2% in Bitcoin and 9.1% in Ethereum comparative over the last 24 hours. Market cap is back at that $73.2 million and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $31 million. A lot to cover right now, a lot of interesting things to point out for you guys. So tune in and watch this video till the absolute end. Going into the price, but before we jump into the price, just wanted to share this with you guys. NASDAQ came out and posted this over here about some altcoins that we should be looking out for this next bull cycle. And again, if you guys don't know what NASDAQ is, you guys are living under the rock. And them really mentioning Veracity really puts Veracity in front of the big players. Maybe there might be some people, especially in the institutional side of the spectrum, a lot of interest coming in from the institution side too, not just retail. They might not have ever heard of Veracity. Now that we have seen Veracity even just being mentioned on nasdaq.com is massive, so that is definitely a nice thing to point out. But now obviously we are going to get into the charts and see what's happening with the prices and where we could be going in the immediate short term. Very, very bullish charts and a lot of things to cover. But before I begin, as you guys already know, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. Before I get into today's topic, over the past, a day or so, after Veracity was seeing a little bit of a retracement, and remember, this retracement was more than overdue after a rally of almost 250%. We saw only a retracement of about, I'll give you guys the exact number, 31.2%. Even after that, the price was still up about 200%. But around this range, the trolls that I talk about on my channel all the time, and these trolls are everywhere in the cryptocurrency market. They're not only going to be there for Veracity, it's every single project you may name. And we had some people come out and say, oh my god, Veracity has dumped so much. Oh my god, Veracity has been plummeting. Oh god, you are making videos on Veracity, but it's dumping. These are the type of people, guys, that people call paper hands and fudders. Obviously, don't look at the bigger picture. The bigger picture obviously is right in front of our eyes. The price has gone up 200%, and we do need a little bit of a retracement before we do go up. And the reason as to why we even saw a retracement, in my personal opinion, for the price of Veracity is because of BTC. Now, BTC has set another yearly high for 2023 today. Things are looking quite well. Don't expect the prices to continue to just go straight up towards the upside. We do need a little bit of a consolidation. And when it happens with Bitcoin, which is a king of the market, guess what's going to happen to the entire market? It's going to be affected, and Veracity is no exception. But regardless of the matter, even though we did see a little bit of retracement happening with the price of Bitcoin, Veracity held very strong. It held its point, and that is bullish, bigger than it ever gets. Now, from bringing out the hourly time frame, I am expecting a massive breakout for the price of VRA. We could be setting new yearly highs this year. As you guys can see, the price did see a yearly high of that 0.00772 cents mark just on January 20th, so about 5 days back. And we could be retesting that, and you guys know how important that level of resistance is. And this time around, especially if the price of BTC continues this upwards trend, you guys can see I've mentioned that we have hit a new yearly high for the price of BTC. Obviously, if this trend continues, I am expecting VRA to start the next leg up. And the best positive thing behind VRA is the community, and obviously being listed on all the exchanges. The hype factor is there, and the best part, the cherry on top, the market cap, extremely low market cap, still only $73.2 million, and these things can move up very, very fast. And as I've mentioned to you guys, and I'll say it again, if we break out of this level of resistance coming up right now, we are about to start some fireworks for the price of VRA, and I think the month of February is going to be really exciting for the project. So obviously a lot of positive things to be looking out for right now, but we do need to keep the price of Bitcoin on a very, very close eye. We basically need to keep a very close eye on the price of BTC. But you guys know my stance on this channel. If it's your first time coming onto the channel, $22,000 price for Bitcoin, as long as we're above it, I remain bullish on the markets. And I don't tend to give Bitcoin an easy time. I'm quite hard on the price of BTC, and right now BTC has proved itself that it has held against this level of resistance, which is obviously a level of support for us at 22k mark, and which is the hardest thing for us to stay above. And right now we're finally staying above here, and things are definitely looking very nice. And obviously, as I've mentioned, if we break above $25,293, I am expecting BTC to start heading back into the 61.8. And as I've mentioned to you guys, this rally could continue into April or May as we go into the summertime. Obviously that is going to be very exciting, and the entire market is going to react to that move. So far so good. The year of 2023 has been amazing. The vibes are amazing. It's just the overall sentiment is just back to the bullish end. It just feels like we've left all the negative energy that we had within the markets back in 2022, and we're moving for the better times, and that's what we're seeing happen, man. VRA, guys, expecting a breakout in the next 24 to 48 hours, even less, as long as the Bitcoin price were to hold around these levels. Regardless, this thing is going to rip, and a lot of fudders are going to be left behind. But that happens with every cryptocurrency. But let me know down below, VRA community, what do you guys think, where you could see the price of VRA going? Do you guys agree with my stance? Are you guys enjoying these updates? Give me criticism if you have some, and where I could improve. Let me know down below. But I am saying that it's very, very likely that we are going to see a breakout sooner rather than later for the price of VRA. But yeah, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and come join me on my Twitter, guys. I am ramping up my Twitter, so link in the description box below. Come follow me on Twitter, and you guys can message me there, tweet at me, know what's going on. So come join the Twitter community, and that is it for today's update. See you guys tomorrow. Crypto ZX, and peace out.